Hello everyone. The topic of our group is ovarian cycle.
Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. As under guidance of our Dean Ma'am, Dr. Nandini Desai, and HOD of Physiology, Dr. Nileswari Wala, and Assistant Professor, Dr. Kesur Kemu, we are looking forward to discuss a really interesting and important topic of ovarian cycle. So our today's agenda of discussion is the phases involved in ovarian cycle, and that is follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase, and the hormonal regulation involved in menstrual cycle.
The ovarian cycle refers to the series of events that occur in the ovaries of females during each menstrual cycle. It is regulated by LH and FSH.
This PPT shows a menstrual cycle. It has two phases, follicular phase and luteal phase. Follicular phase within a 1 to 14 days and luteal phase in a 14 to 28 days. FSH and LH hormone is the highest level at 14 days. Estrogen and progesterone are highest in luteal phase.
It consists of three phases, namely follicular phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase.
When we talk about the first phase of menstrual cycle, the follicular phase is the first phase of menstrual cycle. It is under the influence of FSH, which extends from 5th day until the time of ovulation, which occurs in 14th day of menstrual cycle. This phase generally lasts for 8 to 9 days, may vary from 10 to 25 days. During this phase, 10 to 15 primary follicles start developing, but only one follicle matures and rest all undergo atrophy.
Now coming to the ovulatory phase, which occurs on the 14 days, there causes a release of secondary oocyte from the Graafian follicle. Now see what are the changes in Graafian follicles during ovulatory phase. First, there is rapid swelling of follicles, then there is formation of stigma, and there is release of proteolytic enzymes from the lysozyme, which causes dissolution of capsular wall, and therefore there is rupture of Graafian follicle and release of secondary oocyte on the fimbriated end of fallopian tube.
The luteal phase, it is for last 14 days. It is also known as post-ovulatory phase. After the releasing of a structure converted into the corpus hemorrhagicum, which is converted into corpus luteum, and after fertilization it remain, or when a fertilization not occur, it convert into the corpus albicans.
In this slide, we are going to see the difference between menstrual cycle, ovarian cycle, and the endometrial cycle. Menstrual cycle generally consists of ovarian cycle and the endometrial cycle. The menstrual cycle is considered to be the changes that occur inside the uterus and the ovary, whereas ovarian cycle generally considered to be the changes that occur inside the ovary. Menstrual cycle generally lasts for 28 days. Menstrual cycle consists of menstruation and the ovulatory phase, whereas the ovarian cycle generally involves menstruation and release of egg and the production of certain hormones.
Special thanks to Dean of Sri M P Shah Government Medical College, Dr. Nandini Desai Ma'am, HOD of Physiology Department, Dr. Nileswari Wala Ma'am, and also thanks to all Physiology Department.